Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this INKBIRD wireless food thermometer to go ahead and give an honest review, and I have to admit, it's really cool. This is what it looks like packaged. I'm just going to show you what it looks like coming out of the package here. So this comes real nice. It would be a wonderful gift for someone who likes cooking or baking or grilling. It actually just looks really, really impressive. I'm going to go ahead and open the box up here. It slides up like that, and then I'm going to open it up. Wow, look at that. Look at how impressive that is. That's actually some impressive packaging there. I'm going to pull this out. That is your wireless thermometer, and then you actually have some cords and instruction manuals and everything underneath. So let's go ahead and actually see the thermometer itself. It's got a nice gold trim around it. You see that little charging port there? That's a USB-C charging port. It comes with a cord. The USB-C charging port plugs right into that, and the other one has a USB-A, plugs into any USB charger in your house. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I slide it up. It looks like a fine pen. It looks like a writing instrument, but actually, this thing is your wireless thermometer, and it looks really cool. The way this works is you will put it into your food, in your grill, or in your oven. You'll use an app to go ahead and monitor the temperature, and it just sits there. It monitors. Here's your thermometer. That'll be in your meat or in your food, and it'll be measuring constantly, and then you'll use your app to go ahead and tell you exactly what temperature it is in there. You can set alarms. You can go ahead and watch it in real time. While you're cooking things, you can go off and do other things, not having to worry about whether something is burning or undercooked or overcooked. You'll have the exact precision while it's cooking, real-time precision of cooking. It's amazing. And again, look at this, guys. No wires. I got to talk about this case. It's not just a plastic case. It's actually a charging case as well. Again, it's got the little USB-C on the back. It's got a little syncing button there. I'm going to open this up. I'm going to take my thermometer after I've used it, let's say. I'm going to place it in here and see if I can get it in just right. It'll just click in. There we go. Beeps. Now it's charging, and I can see now my case is actually charging the thermometer. Just like your wireless earbuds, you take them out, use them for a while, you take them out, you put them back in the case charges the earbuds, and then you charge the case. Same thing here. This thing is a whole thermometer system. This is an amazing piece of technology. If you know a cook or a baker or a chef or a grill master, this is something they will want. So let's actually see this in action. Here is a London broil that we went ahead and tested this on. And you just take your thermometer and you just push it in. You want to get the pointy end of the thermometer into one of the thicker parts of the meat, I suppose. You want to keep the flat end outside because that will give you your grill and your ambient temp. And there we go. It's nice and set. You want to do this right before you put it into the oven or your grill. Before you actually put it into your oven or grill, though, you want to go ahead and open up your app. And when you sync the thermometer with your phone, works on smartphones, works on Android or iPhone. I have an iPhone. And you can see here, it's really straightforward. It allows you to pick your meat type. It allows you to pick how much you want your meat done. So medium rare, and it'll automatically set a temperature. You can set alarms. You can have the alarms even go off before you hit a certain temperature. It's really a pretty straightforward app, and it's a lot of fun to kind of play with. So we're going to put our London broil into the oven and let it sit for a couple minutes. You can watch it in real time as the temperature rises on the app. So here we are a few minutes later, and you can see down the bottom of that little graph actually shows how the temperature has risen in the oven as it's warmed up. We actually can set a timer as well. So we had to set a timer for 7 minutes and went ahead and we flipped the steak and we put it right back in. And again, you can watch this little thermometer go up and down. It actually measures it. It seems to pull the thermometer about every 4 or 5 seconds. So the temperature does lower and rise in real time. It really is very precise. And once you're done, you just go ahead and pull the thermometer out. It will be hot, so you want to use tongs or grill gloves or oven gloves just to be on the safe side. After it had rested for a few minutes, we went ahead and just checked the internal temperature with a different thermometer just to make sure. And yeah, it was dead on exactly where we expected it to be. It was really pretty amazing, but obviously the proof is in the visual and what it actually tastes like. And here it is. It came out great. This is exactly the way my wife wanted it. It's kind of a medium rare, I suppose. It was very, very good. My wife loved the idea of being able to check the temperature at any given time without opening the grill, opening the oven, and kind of basically throwing off the temperature. So it was very precise. It was a lot of fun to use. Very, very easy. Really pretty neat. So overall, Yeah, this thing's really cool. I've used it about 2 or 3 times now, and I really, really like it. My wife really likes it. She's more the cook in the family, but it's really, really clever. The app is simple to use. You just download it, you sync it up, and you're ready to go. Everything works really, really well with this. I'm actually fairly impressed with the whole thing overall. INKBIRD makes a lot of good stuff. This is like their premium wireless food thermometer, so it really is a very, very nice gift. Again, presents very well. It just looks beautiful. Look at that gold. Yeah, this is highly recommended.